The Floorboy Z12s, manufactured in Switzerland, is easy to operate and suitable for domestic use. With a variety of accessories including super pads, diamond pads, microfiber pads, and brushes, the Floorboy can be seamlessly used on different types of floors, including tasks such as cleaning and maintaining wooden floors. If you're interested in a detailed video on cleaning and maintenance of wooden floors, you can find it in our info card or in the video description. The Floorboy is also suitable for cleaning and maintaining tile floors, vinyl floors, concrete and stone floors. It can also be used for marble floors and terraces. We wish you a pleasant floor care experience with the Floorboy Z12s. If you have any further questions, feel free to leave them in the comments.